Good morning, student. Today we will do the examples of exercise 5.3 class 10. Example of exercise 5.3 class 10. So the first example, which is given in page 109 as per previous edition book, find the sum of first 22 terms of the AP. If to find the sum of first 22 terms of the AP, 8, 3, minus 2. So it is 8, 3, minus 2. I have to find the sum of first 22 terms. Here A is your 8, D is your 3 minus 8, 3 minus 8 equal to minus 5. If to find the sum of first 22 terms, so let me write the general formula. Sn equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. I have to find the sum of first 22 terms, so in place of n it will be 22. N by 2 it is 22 by 2. 22 by 2 it is 2a. 22 minus 1 and a d is your minus 5. Minus 5 you can put in bracket. Here you can cancel 11, 16, 22 minus 1 is 21, 21 into minus 5 is minus 105. So it is 11, between 11 and bracket there is no sign, so it is into 16 minus 105, it is minus 89. If you multiply it, minus 89 into 11, it is minus 979. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this. It is minus 979. Okay. I think this sum I have done earlier also. Okay. No problem. You can repeat it. Now we will go for example number 12. So example number 12, what did they say? Example number 12. Example 12. If the sum of first 41 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find its 20th term. Sum of first 41 terms given and first term given. So let me first take the first term. First term is 10 and sum of first 41 terms means S41 given how much? 1050. So Sn formula we know n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. So it is S41, so it will be 41 by 2 2a plus 41 minus 1 into d. Next step I will put the value of a. Okay, it is 41 by 2. 2a means 2 into 10. 41 minus 1 is 40d equal to 1050. So 41 by 2 you can no problem. Here it is 41 by 2 into 20. So 41 by 2 will multiply with both the terms. So it will be 20 by 2 10 410. 410. Here 220 ja 41 into 20. It is 820. D equal to 1050. Let me cross check it. 2 2 cancel, 410, 20, 20 into 40. Okay. Now I have to find the value of D. So 820 D equal to 1050 minus 410. So it is 820 D equal to 0. 5 minus 1 4. It is 640. Okay, 640. Somewhere wrong I have done. Okay, what is the mistake it is done? 1050 minus 410 is 640. Here 20 into 41. 20 into 41, it is 820. So what is the mistake I have done here? First term 10. So it is not 41, it is 14 term. Okay, it is 14 term. It is 14, not 41. So here it is 14. So here it will be 13D. So 2 cancel, 140. 140. Let me do one thing here. So if you cancel it, it is 7. So 7 to the 14, 140. It is 91D equal to 1050. So I have to find the value of D. So 91D equal to 1050 minus 140. So 1050 minus 140, it is 910. So D equal to 910, and this 91 will come below, so it is 10. So take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this. It is 10. Okay, you got the value of D. You have to find out now 20th term. 20th term is A20. A20. Now A20 equal to A plus 20 minus 1 into D. Your A was 10. 20 minus 1 is 19, and your D value is 10. So 10 plus 190, it is 200. Okay, this 200. So take the screenshot. It is 200. Okay, it is 200. Clear? Got it? Now we will go for example number 13. How many terms the AP must be taken so that the sum is 78? Here sum is given 78. Means Sn is given. Sn is given 78. Means how many terms if you add up, you will get 78. Your AP is, it is 24, 21, 18, ... So here your first term is 24, your D is 21 minus 24 equal to minus 3. Sum given how much? 78. Sn equal to 78 given. Okay, if you find out number of terms, means how many terms if you add up, your total will be 78. I repeat again. They have said here in this sequence is the first term, second term, third term given. In this way, how many terms you will add up? Okay, first term is, sum of first term is 24. Sum of two terms, you will add up these two. Sum of three terms, you will add up these three. So how many terms if you add up, you will get total how much? 78. So Sn given 78. So Sn formula is n by 2. It is twice A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 70. I put the value of A and D. A is your 24. Here it is n minus 1, and D is your minus 3 equal to 70. Take the screenshot. I grab the upper part. Okay. So here what you got? Let me write the last line here. Here it is 48 minus 3n plus 3 equal to 78. Okay, clear? Got it? Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. So if I multiply it, let me do one thing more. Let me do calculation. It is n by 2. It is 51 minus 3n equal to 70. 2 let me cross multiply and let me multiply here. It is 51n minus 3n square. 2 8 just 16, 156. Let me arrange it as per degree. So it is minus 3n square plus 51n minus 156 equal to 0. So first term is negative. So to make it positive, by multiplying minus both sides, left right. So when you multiply by minus, minus will become plus and plus will become minus. So what is your work now? You can divide the complete equation by 3. So it is n square. So it is 17n. 3 5 ja 15, 3 2 ja 52. Now you can go for middle term. If you go for middle term, you see 52, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja, so it is 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja. Okay, 13 plus 4. What you can go? 13 plus y plus, because last is having plus. So n square 13 plus 4 n plus 56 equal to 0. You can remove the bracket. 13n minus 4n plus 56 equal to 0. From the first two you can take common n, so it is n minus 13. From the last two 4, so it is n minus 13 equal to 0. So you got n minus 13, n minus 4 equal to 0. So take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this. Okay. Taken. Now either or. Either what you can write? Either n minus 13 equal to 0 or n minus 4 equal to 0. So what you can write? This implies n equal to 13 and n equal to 4. So both the values are acceptable. Okay, both you can consider 13 and 4. So take the screenshot. So this is the end of this sum. So take the screenshot. Clear? If you have any doubt, pass your comment in the comment section. Next we will go for example number 14. Example number 14 you give star mark. This is very important. Okay, example number 14 is very important. You will give star mark. Example 14 you will give star mark. Find the sum of the first 1000 positive integer. Find the sum of first 1000 positive integer. So let s equal to first 1000. So you start from 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot dot. Last will be 1000. 1000. So I have to find the sum of this. So here a is your 1, d 2 minus 1 1, l is your 1000. L is your 1000. So you can use here shortcut. So Sn equal to what we know, n by 2 a plus l. You are finding out sum of first 1000 term. So in place of n it will be 1000. So it is 1000 by 2. Your a is 1 and your l is 1000. If you cancel it, it is 500. Here it will be 1001. So 0 0 5 1 0 0 5. Okay, it will be 500500. So take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. Okay, they have said to find the sum of first 1000 positive integer. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 1000, a1 d1 l. D is not necessary, you can neglect it. So Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. You are finding out the sum of first 1000 positive integer. So in place of n it will be 1000. Your a is 1, last term is given. You can go for the shortcut. Next, Roman number 2. Roman number 2, example 14, Roman number 2. Whatever solution you will get, last solution, it is used as formula also. If to find the sum of first n positive integer. So let s equal to n 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 plus n. So here your a is your 1, l is your n. If to find the sum of first n positive integer, so Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. Your n is n only because you are finding out the sum of first n positive integer. Your a is 1 and l is n. You can write in this way, n by 2 n plus 1. This is the formula also. Okay, this formula is often used. Okay, this is the formula for the sum of first n positive integer. So in exam time, in objective type question they give the sum of first n positive integers are, there will be 4 options. Your answer will be n plus 1 by 2. And advanced math student use this formula frequently in their subject. Take the screenshot. Okay. Now we will go for example number 15. 14, 15, 16 are very important. Example number 15. So example number 15, what did they say? Find the sum of first 24 terms. Sum of first 24 terms whose nth term is given. Nth term is given. You have to find out the sum of how many terms? 24 terms. What is the nth term given? An equal to, it is given 3 plus twice n. So when you know nth term, you can easily find out the first term, second term and third term. First term is a1. Okay, a1. So a1, how will you find out? You will put in place of n1. So 3 plus 2 into 1. So it is 3 plus 2. That means equal to 5. Then you get the second term by putting in place of n how much? 2. So it is 4 plus 3 plus 4. It is 7. Let me find out another more term. Okay, 3 plus 2 into 3. That means 3 plus 6 equal to 9. So you can find out more. You can give dot dot. So your first term is here your 5. Common difference means second minus first. 7 minus 5, it is 2. And if to find out now sum of how many terms? 24 terms. Take the screenshot. I will rub the upper part. Okay. So I will find out the sum of first 24 terms. So Sn, what we know? Sn we know. Sn equal to, the general is n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. To find the sum of 24 terms, so in place of n it will be 24. 2a, a is your 5, n is your 24 minus 1, d is your 2. Okay, so 24 by 2, 24 by 2 it is 12. 24 by 2 it is 12. Here it is 10. 24 minus 1 is 23. 23 into 2 is 2 3 6, 46. 46. So 12 into 56. 12 into 56. So 12 into 56, it is 672. So this is the answer. Sum of 24 terms. Take the screenshot. Okay, clear? Now we will go for example number 16. Example number 16. This is also important. You can give star mark. So this is the last example of exercise 5.3. Example number 16. So a manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year. In the third year, how many TV sets they produced? 600, and 700 in the seventh year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, find the production in the first year, means first term. The production in the 10th year, means that particular, means A10. The total production, total means sum you have to find out. Total production in first 7 years, means S7 you have to find out. I repeat the question. A manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year, means A3, and 700 in the seventh year, means A7. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, find Roman 1 the production in the first year, means A1. Production in the 10th year, so A10. The total production in the first 7 years, total means sum of the production in the 7 year means S7. Sum of the production in the 7 year means S7. So here A3 given how much? 600. This is the production in the third year. So A3 means A plus 3 minus 1 into D equal to 600. So it is A plus 2D equal to 600. Equation 1. Then they have given production in the 7th year means A7. A7 they have given 700. So A7 means A plus 7 minus 1 into D equal to 700. So A plus 6D equal to 700. Equation 2. If you remember, I have said earlier, when you get two equations of A and D, you have to find the value of a and d by applying any method, elimination, substitution, cross multiplication. Here we will do subtraction and we will get it. So equation 2 minus equation 1, equation 2 minus equation 1, I will use shortcut. Here plus a minus a, plus a minus a cancel, 6d minus 2d, 6d minus 2d, it will be 4d, 700 minus 600, it is 100, so d will be equal to 100 by 4, so 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja. Okay, so it is 25. Take the screenshot. I will rub the upper part. Take the screenshot of this. Okay, d value you got. Now I will put this d value in equation 1. You can put in equation 2 also. Now putting d equal to 25. Putting d equal to 25 in equation 1. What is the equation 1? A plus 2d equal to 600. So in place of d I will put now 25. So it is a plus 2 into 25 equal to 600. So a plus it is 50 equal to 600. So 50 will change the side, it will go the other side, means sign will change. 600 minus 50, a equal to 600 minus 50, that means 550. So you got the value of a. So value of a means this is the production of first year. So Roman 1 answer you got production in the first year 550. Production in the first year 550. Production in first year equal to 550. Okay, take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this. So you got production in first year. Clear? So d value 25. I am writing in just here side. Otherwise I will forget. So d equal to 25. Okay. For my future work I am writing inside. So production in first year you got. Now you have to find out production in 10th year. 10th, that particular year. So A10, Roman number 2, A10. So it is A plus 10 minus 1 into D. What was my A? 550. 10 minus 1 is 9. It is 25. So it is 550 plus 9 5 ja 45. 4 carry 18. So it is 225. So it is 5 to 7, 775. So take the screenshot. This is the production in the 10th year. 775. 775. Okay. Now we will go for Roman number 3. Roman number 3. You have to find out total production. Total means sum. For how many years? 7 years. Means S7. So S7 is Sn is n by 2 plus n minus 1 into d. So S7 will be 7 by 2, then twice a plus 7 minus 1 into d. So 7 by 2. Now I will put the value of a. A is my 550, 7 minus 1 6, d is my 25. So it is 7 by 2, 0 2 5 ja 10, 11, 6 5 ja 33 carry 150. So it is 7 by 2. So 0 5 2 1. If you cancel it, 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 625. 625, it is 625 into 7. So it is 4375. Okay, this much production will be done in 7 years. 4375. Take the screenshot. Okay, clear? So this is all about the examples of exercise 5.3. Next session we will discuss some examples of exercise 5.2. Then we will start chapter 9. I have said in the previous session also, we have finished chapter 1, then your chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8 half done. We will continue with this. but next session we will go for chapter 9. For today this much only. Okay, bye. Note all this in your copy. Stay home and keep learning. Please don't waste your time. Read sincerely. Okay.